hyena.
Are you a ballerina?
Banana hyena.
A banana hyena?
Banana hyena.
Ballerina?
Banana hyena.
Are you a ballerina?
Ballerina. Bunny hyena.
Bunny hyena?
Ellen.
Yes, I know. Say ballerina.
Banana hyena. Ballerina.
Ballerina?
Ballerina. Tata press
really?
the button.
Yeah, Tasha's pressing the button. Are you a ballerina?
Ballerina. Ellen.
You can't see Evelyn. You can only see Lily.
Lily.
There's some candy up his nose or something. Eat it! He's been hanging on to this candy for 5 minutes now. Are you a ballerina?
Ballerina.
Are you a ballerina?
Lily.
Ballerina?
Lily. Eat the candy.
Yelling.
Lily. Eat the candy.
Why are you yelling at him? Can you say ballerina?
Lily.
Alright then. Bye-bye.
Ballerina.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Now, a banana hyena.
Okay.
Banana hyena.
Is Lily a ballerina?
Ballerina.
Ballerina?
Out.
Look at him in his tippy toes. Do your tippy toes. Be a ballerina on your tippy toes. Whoa. See? Angelina's a ballerina on her tippy toes. Yay. Go on your tippy toes, Lily. Do a dance on your tippy toes. Tippy toes. That's not your tippy toes. Evelyn, can you go on your tippy toes? Be a ballerina.
Banana hyena.
Banana hyena.
Banana hyena.
Can you be a banana hyena on your tippy toes? Here, stand up. Oh, go on your tippy toes. On your tippy toes. Tippy toes. Alright, you're not being fun. Say bye-bye.
Ballerina hyena.
Banana hyena. Bye-bye, ballerina.
Banana hyena.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hyena.